So we have our wasabi product that came out. You can see the nice smooth and creamy finished product. It's got a little bit of the texture of the wasabi and ghost pepper. You have a little bit of speck, almost like a vanilla bean. A little deceiving. It's a ghost pepper bean, so you want to fool your friends and family, go for it. What we're going to do, we're going to we have our official taste testers here, so I'm just going to scoop some out. And if you see the consistency of this product when it comes out of the batch machine, it's almost like a soft serve product. But what we're going to do is we're going to put this in our flash freezer. And it's going to sit in there for about 8 hours in the flash freezer. Then it's going to go to a 0-degree freezer. And then after about 8 hours in there, it's ready to go into your dipping cabinet. Now you got to get their reaction.
Too much wasabi.
Yeah, too much wasabi.
Wasabi giving it the heat?
I mean, I feel like I need a salmon roll with this.
That's all I tasted was heat. I didn't taste anything.
Is wasabi the heat or is it ghost pepper the heat?
You know what? When you taste it,
wasabi doesn't.
It's the spice that hits you first. Wasabi hits you after.
That's exactly right.
And then you get the ghost pepper at the end.
Yeah. Yeah. Wasabi is the first thing you taste.